Let's ask some questions to understand why we are learning about hematology. Why is learning about the blood cells and the normal values so important to healthcare workers? How might an understanding of blood cell functions and normal blood values impact the way a healthcare worker diagnoses and treats patients? How does understanding the relationship between blood components and overall health improve patient care outcomes? As a healthcare provider, you will be responsible for identifying patterns in patient lab data to support accurate diagnosis and treatment. The foundation of this skill is understanding the functions of the different components of blood and how they contribute to overall health. Equally important is recognizing the common laboratory tests used to assess these components and interpreting their results in relation to the normal values you will need to memorize during your studies. Mastering this knowledge will prepare you to make informed clinical decisions and provide quality patient care. Active educational learning is here to help set you up for success. Let's move on to the lessons.